peeps, dit is Jenny van Disrupt Tutoring en soos altyd is dit 'n plesier om by julle aan te sluit. Vandag gaan ons aan met ons bespreking oor indirekte rede. We continue our discussion on indirect or reported speech. Sin nommer 1. Ma antwoord, Paul, jy is welkom om by ons te kom eet. Daar's 'n fout hierso. There's a mistake here. It should be jy. Mom is answering, Paul, you are welcome to come and eat with us. When the name of a person is in the direct speech, we need to transfer that name to the introduction. So instead of saying Mom answers, we say Mom answers to Paul that. So take that name and put it here into the introduction. Now comes my conjunction dat, which we know is group 3. Therefore, we need to be careful of the verb. The verb is. But there's another problem here. Here is what I call my bad friend infinitive. Because the infinitive must always come to the very end of the sentence. The only thing that comes after the infinitive is the second ni. And I call it the bad friend because if you don't put it into the end, you're going to be wrong. So now let's see what we need to do. Ma antwoord vir Paul dat. Okay. Mom says to Paul that he is welcome. Dat hy, change my pronoun. But now let's finish the sentence before that bad friend. Dat hy welkom is. There's my verb. And now we just add our bad friend to the end. Om by hulle te kom eet. Mom answers to Paul that he is welcome to come and eat with them. Have a look at my verb to the end because of group 3 conjunction and look at my 2 pronouns that need to change to make logical sense. Let me translate to help you again. Mom answers, Paul, you are welcome to eat with us. Mom answers to Paul that he is welcome to eat with them. Remember, finish my sentence before the infinitive. We know it's an infinitive because it's got the words om and te. Number 2. Susan vra vir haar ma, wat gaan jy vir aandete kook? Okay, let's see. My verb, gaan kook. Now previously we learnt that for questions we use the conjunction of and sentences use dat. But if the question starts with a question word, then we use that question word as the conjunction and it also belongs to group 3. Indirect speech is always group 3. So here I have a question word. We're going to use that as our conjunction. Susan vra vir haar ma wat, there's my conjunction. Say, we need to change my pronoun, wat say. Vir aandete. Now we're going to put my verbs to the end and the verb that comes first stays first. Gaan kook. Full stop, no more question mark, it's a reported question. Mom, Susan asks her mother, what are you going to cook for dinner? Susan asks her mother what she, there's my pronoun changing, is going to cook for dinner, and there are my verbs at the end. Why? Because wat is a conjunction of group 3. Reported speech, always group 3 conjunctions. So let's remind ourselves. For sentences, we use the conjunction dat. For questions, we use the conjunction of, unless there is a question word there, which we then change to a conjunction. But always group 3 word order. Voordat ek afsluit, wil ek net baie dankie sê aan ons Epic Borgmaatskappy wat hierdie video moontlik gemaak het. Lees alles oor hulle in die beskrywing hieronder. Onthou om ons webtuiste te besoek vir meer van hierdie Epic studieklas video's. As jy nie die antwoord op jou vraag kan vind nie, stuur vir ons die vraag en ons sal antwoord met 'n persoonlike video net vir jou. Tot volgende keer.